Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we got chicken piccata and a mussels fra diavolo.
2 meals on one show? What are you, crazy? People don't have any attention span. They're gonna be like, oh, what's the recipe? Oh, that was too fast. Oh, why didn't you show me these?
Tonight I'm gonna be doctoring up a chicken piccata with these beautiful organic mangoes, and I'm also gonna start her off with a mussels kale salad fra diavolo. Here's all the fixins. Let's at it. Okay, you got to clean up your kale there, so you need a sharp knife. Take the greens from the stem, and you got some beautiful greens for yourself. Here we have everything prepped. We have 1 jalapeno, 1 serrano, and 1 poblano pepper, ginger, lemon zest, dill, the chicken, garlic, of course, mangoes, capers, bread I made with a nice Sauvignon Blanc, Josh Sauvignon Blanc. And this is a very good brand of pasta if you want good pasta to buy. Anywho, San Marzano tomatoes, Pecorino Romano. You know the act. Stay angry. And while you're hammering, spread the hammer so that the cutlet gets bigger. That's how you do it. Anyways, and flour thoroughly. You know how it is. And there you go. Add your mussels, wine of course, and then stir it around, get them all set, and crank the heat. Literally takes minutes to get there, but here you go. All right, plating up. First thing we do, of course, is set our portrait ring of al dente kale, throw a little pasta in the middle, and then we're going to be putting on our mussels fra diavolo, very yummy and spicy. And then we're going to get some Pecorino Romano, some citron, and our garlic bread. And then we're going to get ready to make our chicken piccata. Okay, here we go. What can you do? You got a butter sauce. 1 stick of butter, olive oil, garlic, and lemon zest in the bottom. And don't let it get too bad there. And then throw your cutlets on top so everything sticks to it. It's only a few minutes before you have to crank those puppies. You're going to be throwing the mangoes in there, and you're going to let it heat up a little. And then you're going to be putting the citron on, and then the dill and the capers. And then you're going to be cranking the heat up and getting it really hot before you put the wine in. One of the most exciting fast meals you can make, chicken piccata. All right, pasta. Throw the cutlet down, put the mangoes on, throw in some ragu, of course, and then the usual, Pecorino Romano and garlic bread. Voila. Meals that take no time at all to cook. We got chicken piccata. Yum, yum, yum. And then, of course, our mussels fra diavolo. Okay, people. Treat yourself good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.